So Cardi B is officially pregnant. She made her announcement on SNL last night during her second performance. I pinned her as being pregnant long ago, ever since Fashion Week, when she came out with a whole different style of dressing. And you know Cardi B is that girl that used to be titties out, butt out, all day, every day. She used to dress really sexy, and she went from sexy all the way down to really, really different and just hiding everything. So congrats to her, congrats to Offset. And also, they said she's about 6 months pregnant. Cardi being 6 months pregnant, she also has her Coachella performance, which is a big performance coming up. So I hope she killed that stage also. She have a brand new album out, which is gold, and I love her songs on that album. They also claim that she supposedly got married and secretly got married to Offset at a private ceremony with friends, but that's neither here nor there. She didn't confirm that. She confirmed that she's actually pregnant, and she said she's free. And I know a lot of people are going to have a lot to say because she's in the first portion of her career, and a lot of people like to count women out, especially when it comes on to pregnancy and careers. 2018 with Ina, not 1994. She can do this. And also, my 5 favorite songs from her album: Be Careful, Through Your Phone, Best Life featuring Chance the Rapper, and then 10 Times Up, and then the last one is I Do featuring Caesar. So check those 5 songs out on her album. They're really dope. And big up to Cardi B. Congrats on her pregnancy. Now the world can shut up and stop asking her if she's pregnant. Big up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man.